I'm Titania Jordan, and this is Your Tech Minute. We have been talking about AI a lot here lately, but today's story should give you some pause about what you should use it for. And thanks to Eugene Kim from Business Insider for this story. Amazon recently warned its employees about sharing confidential information with ChatGPT. Workers for the tech giant have apparently already been using the AI as a coding assistant, prompting Amazon's legal team to issue guidelines on how to use it. Amazon's lawyer stated that there were already instances of ChatGPT responses that looked similar to internal Amazon data, and that the company wouldn't want its input to resemble any confidential information. The exchange reflects one of the many new ethical issues arising as a result of the sudden emergence of ChatGPT. This conversational AI tool can respond to prompts with markedly articulate and intelligent answers. OpenAI is far from transparent about how they use the data, but if it's being folded into training data, I would expect corporations to wonder. After a few months of widespread use of ChatGPT, will it become possible to extract private corporate information with cleverly crafted prompts? That's a quote from Emily Bender, who teaches computational linguistics at the University of Washington. It is still unclear how AI will be implemented in the tech space. Some Amazon employees said they were disturbed with how well ChatGPT could answer coding problems, while others were more optimistic. I'm both scared and excited to see what impact this will have on the way that we conduct coding interviews, one Amazon employee wrote on Slack. For more on this story and the uses of AI in tech, be sure to click the link below. This has been Your Tech Minute. Thank you so much for watching. Leave us a like and a comment below.